Stuck in my brain. Why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? Tell me, why do you wanna end? Was he really just a friend?
Alright, so we're in quarantine, lockdown, whatever you want to call it. Haven't left the house in a couple weeks. I went out, I think, once to to Costco, and we had to buy food, but other than that, I've just been in my house. So yeah, I thought, let's do a little quarantine everyday makeup tutorial for you guys. I haven't really been wearing makeup, obviously. I've been on lockdown, and I'm not leaving the house, so I don't really care enough. Yeah, so here we are. Let's get to makeup right now. This is just my current everyday makeup tutorial, like before I didn't leave the house and stuff like that, if that makes sense. So, oh, I graduated, by the way. Finished aesthetic school online, which is very interesting, but I'm all done. Hopefully I can get my license soon. Hopefully everything's good. So, yeah, let's get into this. Hopefully I'll look a little bit better in a little while because I look rough right now. So, yeah. Alright, I'm going to start out with primer as usual, and all products and stuff like that will be listed down below. I'm just using a pore filling primer as usual. Alright, so we have that on, and then I'm going to go in with a sponge and my Colourpop Pretty Fresh tinted moisturizer. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of powder, oh no, what am I doing? No. See, I don't know why I do these things sometimes. I'm going to go in with a little bit of liquid blush. This is the Revlon Cheek Flushing Tint in Posey. Alright, so now I'm going to take a little bit of my powder just with the back of my sponge, and I'm just going to set my eyelids and my under eyes. I really like the finish of the tinted moisturizer. I thought it was going to be more dewy than it is, but it's more of like a natural finish, at least on me. I don't know if that's everybody. But I don't know. It works well on my skin. I don't get super oily super fast, so I like it. And I like that there's not a lot of coverage, because you guys know me. I just like natural and light coverage. Alright, I'm going to take my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and this is a Sonia Kashuk brush. I don't know the name of it. Everything kind of rubbed off of it, and it came in a pack anyway. I don't think there's a name on it, but I use it for contour. So I'm going to take the middle shade, which is Shadow Play, and just go lightly in my cheekbone. And then I'm just going to take a little fluffy brush for my eyes, take that same medium shade and just go in my crease a little bit, just so that it's not like white around my eyes. And then underneath too. I'm going to go in now with a little bit of bronzer. This is just the Essence, like, Big Boy bronzer. I'm going to take another Sonia Kashuk brush. It's just like a fluffy pointed brush. And lightly bronze a little bit. Oh, there's a bird. Stuck in my brain. Nothing super crazy. I just like everything to look natural. I feel like I say that in every one of my makeup videos, and this honestly isn't that different from my regular makeup videos, but here we are. I definitely don't put as much highlight as I used to. I used to have like a stripe. Don't do that as much anymore. Alright. Now for more blush. Just a little bit. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio in Medium Tan. I'm going to use all 3 shades in here and just mix them together. And on my cheeks and on my nose. Oh no, what am I doing again? No. I'm all out of whack right now. That's not what I'm going to do. Blush is after I put highlighter on. I don't know what's going through my brain right now. So, for highlighter, I'm going to use the Morphe High Impact Highlighter in Extra. Just a really pretty little shade. I don't know. I think this is a Molly brush or something. I don't really remember. My cousin gave it to me. Don't really know. And I want to put a little bit of that on. And then I'm going to go in with more of a gold highlight right now. That one's more of like a champagne. I'm going to go in with the gold. This is the Too Faced You Light Up My Life highlighter. And very lightly, I don't want to look crazy right now. I'm going to go over it. I feel like because I'm tanner right now, that one is like, I don't know, I feel like it looks gray right now. I don't know. That might just be me because I'm used to super golden highlighters. I don't know. I'm going to go in now with a little bit more contour. I usually just go back and forth until I'm happy. Alright, now I'm going to go in with that blush and just mix all 3 shades. This is a Moda brush. I don't know the number, but I think it was a highlight brush, but I don't use it for highlight. It's too big for me to highlight, but I like the way it puts my blush on. Alright, now I'm going to do mascara and clean up my eyebrows a little bit, but for my eyes, which I don't do much for my eyes, I just put that shadow on. I'm going to take the darkest contour shade in here, which is, I think it's Subconscious, and a little angled brush, and almost draw a wing, not really a wing, but just a little line. This makes my eyes look like they're less of a weird shape. I'm gonna clean up my eyebrows. And I'm gonna put a little bit of lip balm on. This is the Mongokiss Yumberry lip balm. It's like an organic lip balm from Walmart. My camera's washing me out a little bit right now, which is super annoying, but yeah. I'm gonna curl my lashes and put on some mascara. The mascara I'm gonna be using, the mascara brand I'm going to be using is the Wet n Wild Mega Length Waterproof. Yeah, I'm going to curl my lashes and pop that on. And the last, or second to last thing anyway. I'm going to take a teensy bit of that cheek tint. Oh, almost dropped it. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to pat it into my lips. And that's pretty much all I do. Not that crazy. There's days that I don't put the contour and I just put the bronzer. There's days I just put the bronzer. What? There's days I just use the contour. There's days I just use the bronzer. And there's days I put them together. Okay. Pretty much it. And I don't always do this with my eyes, just when I'm feeling extra spicy, and right now I'm stuck in the house, so I'm spicy. Sometimes I will spray my face with setting spray just to kind of get the powdery finish off, but right now I feel like, oh, hold on. Ooh. But yeah, right now I'm staying in the house. I don't need to get rid of the powdery finish. I'm sure the oils will come out soon. But that's pretty much all. My dog's stomach's making weird noises. Yeah, you okay? I'm gonna go check on my dog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. That really helps me out. And let me know down below what you guys want to see. I can film whatever you want. I'm stuck in the house. I think that's all. I love you guys a lot. And I will see you next week with another video. Bye. 'Cause it's pain in my